If this is your first time working with VUEBRACE builder strapping, here are the basic steps to install it correctly. With timber frames set up, install a stud tie or flat strap fixed to the top plate and the stud. Wrap VUEBRACE over the top of the plate and nail brace to the top plate using VUETRADE galvanized timber connector plate nails. Stretch VUEBRACE at approximately 45 degrees across the panel length of wall to be braced. Pull down tightly and wrap under the bottom cord and fix with nails. Repeat these steps on the other end, diagonally opposing to the first strap, forming an X configuration. Install and tighten VUESMART tensioners to each strap, and drive the tensioner until the strap is taut. Finish by installing a nail to every stud where the brace is crossed. Congratulations, you now have an adequately braced wall. Refer to technical data and relevant standards for detailed instructions. For more information, head to VUETRADE.com.